we are all aware that today the double tracking is being pushed by the Goa government, which is meant to transport coal and which is only to help the crony capitalists. And we have been telling the Goa government, please look at the people's interest. Today, we have found document which clearly shows that the forceful and illegal land acquisition that is happening, it is just for name's sake. They are saying consent of the locals, but there is no consent of the people. They are saying under Railway Act you cannot stop, we will acquire your land. Today we found a letter written by the Ministry of Railways, Government of India of 2018, February 2018. It clearly says that for this project we cannot apply the Railway Act, and the reason being, it is said that for applying the Railway Act, the entire project has to be declared as a special railway project. Hatun, it does not qualify to be called as a special railway project, because one of the main criteria is, if it is a special railway project, the whole acquisition has to happen only under one act. In this case, somewhere it is happening under some state law, under some state acquisition law. In Goa, somewhere it has happened under something else, and now the Goa government, to fool the people and to backstab them, they have basically returned to the center to apply the Railway Act. And this document from the railways themselves say it cannot be acquired under the Railway Act. So आज आम्ही तांकां document दिला. We have told the deputy collector, please stop this land acquisition, because he has been appointed as the land acquisition officer. Stop this thing, it is illegal, otherwise we will be forced to take the legal course.
What answers did he give to this?
He tried to say that I have been appointed by the government by notification and I have to go. I said, if you go, you are liable, because I have now brought it to your notice in black and white. So in case we have to knock on the doors of the court, we will say that yes, we had come and given you the letter. It is your duty to tell the higher authorities, boss, this is wrong. Otherwise, you will have to face the music.
गोंयचो आवाज आयल्लो saying that as per Railways Act it is not completely legal to acquire lands. ताजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आहा, कितें सांगू शकता तुमी?
The government of India has notified it. As per that, we have already done a publication on the local newspapers. It was in June 2020. After that, based on whoever have filed valid objections, we have issued them the notices. So as per that, we are conducting